captain of Pune Warriors, Anuja Patil. She has won the toss and elected to bowl first. A quick look at the playing 11 of both the teams. Raigad Royals led by Kiran Navgire, followed by Bhavika Ahire, the star of Under-19 T20 World Cup winning squad. In Pune Warriors, you have some big names. Khushi Mulla, Anuja Patil, Shweta Mane, the veteran of Maharashtra cricket. Also, Chinmay Borfale, who will be seen opening the bowling as she did yesterday for Pune Warriors. Has spoken. But meanwhile, we have the superstar of Raigad Royals, Kiran Navgire, the captain, the icon player, right-handed batter, a hard-hitting batter, Salil, let me tell you. And yesterday, she did get off to a flying start, but could not convert. But today, I think she needs to put a price tag on a wicket.
And when it comes onto the bat, you got to play straight in those forward V.
Let's play. First ball coming up. And is that caught behind? Loud appeal. Pune Warriors is excited. Excellent breakthrough. Fantastic start by Pune Warriors. And Chinmay Borfale again rollicking with the ball.
Right on target, right at hard length, a delivery which is so tempting, which we call the hard length delivery, which is bowled in the test matches. And there she...
Kiran Navgire has to depart for a golden duck caught by Vaishnavi, bowled by Chinmay. Raigad Royals क्योंकि उनकी कप्तान किरण नवगिरे डगआउट पहुंच चुकी है और अभी दारोमदार होगा अदिति शुरू है अनुजा पाटिल कैप्टन पुणे वॉरियर्स की उन्होंने दारोमदार लिया है शुरुआत थोड़ी सी खराब उनकी और अदिति गायकवाड़ छोड़ेंगी नहीं इस गेंद को पहला चौका
that's a one in the slot, and you were just right about that. It's very difficult to change your line and length, and that's what happened.
बोला
No bowler likes to be hit for fours, and this is again a very good shot. This is what we were talking about, change of line, change of length.
बड़ा शॉट और ये हवा में खेला है और सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में गलती की है भाविका ने पर कोई गलती की नहीं है चिन्मयी ने दूसरी विकेट चिन्मयी के नाम
That's right up there. We were just talking about how she should not be too ambitious.
Bhavika Ahire, after scoring 8, she has to make a way back. Back. New player, Rutuja Gilbile, coming in at number 4. And cleaned her up. Rutuja Gilbile right through her defense, and Chinmay Borfale has the last laugh. She draws the third blood for Pune Warriors as Raigad Royals.
On the money. Gets one right again in the slot. The seam says, I'm going to come inside. It's an in-swinger. Plays across the line and pays the price. A very good wicket for Chinmay.
Putting the Royals in royal disarray in the power play.
Next level.
Tries to cut this, loud appeal, finger goes up, and that is going to be curtains for Aditi for a 20.
Let the batsman play, and it's very difficult. See the ball. It's ideal outswinger for a medium pacer. Close to the body, trying to cut. Very, and it's very difficult. See the ball. It's ideal outswinger for a medium pacer. Close to the body, trying to cut. Very difficult for 4 in 6.5 overs.
लेकिन पहली ओवर डालती हुई समृद्धि उनके नाम में सफलता है और
Oh, loud appeal once again, looked fairly close.
Okay, the ball is passing close. Next frame. Next frame. Flat. This is the ball tracking. Okay, pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Original decision is out. Signal out, please. Thank you.
And there comes.
की है यहाँ पे आहिस्ता फेंक रही है और थोड़ा टर्न
Big stroke from Aisha. Fielder is.
That's the reason she was under pressure to get that one, and she gives it right in the slot. Picks that one good. Though under pressure, she gets a good shot going for her. Gets a 6 on that one.
Striker Sneha sweeps this well, but fielder at short fine does the trick. Miscommunication.
में स्नेहा वापस जाना पड़ेगा 7 पे 50 पे 6.
Good. Charges down the track, hikes it into the leg side. Will it go all the way? One bounce and into the fence. That lofted. It's up in the air. Enough hang time for Anuja Patil to get under.
Yes, Aisha getting ambitious over here. And the order was straight from Anuja that just bowl in the right areas, no experimentation, no slower deliveries. Hoa getting out for 24 and 22, 60 for 7 in 13.4.
खस्ता 7 बल्लेबाज अपने गवा चुका है रायगढ़ रॉयल्स. प्रेशर बना के रखा था.
Pushed onto the back foot, loud appeal, but the umpire on this occasion remains unmoved. You can sense how much pressure the infielders are putting on the opposition, not on...
Bit rolling. Pitching in line, impact is umpire's call, wickets missing. Original decision is not out. Can we go back to on-screen umpire, please? Yes. Screen, you can stay with your signal of not out. Thank you.
ये स्कोर पहुंच जाए तो भी देख नॉट लूज. ये बढ़िया शॉट है, दिशा दिखा दी और दशा भी बदल दी इस गेम की. 4
Loud appeal and given. Easy decision for the bowler.
The bowler is going to strike. That's what she did. Straight on target, missed the delivery, playing across and given leg before.
Samruddhi. Isha Pathare, after making 11, has to make her way back to the dugout. 2 wickets. Big shot, and this is the need of the hour for Raigad Royals. Finds the fence. A useful boundary.
The stumps, you miss a strike. This is the one which you got away with. Played it very fine and a well-deserved boundary. Made room.
बड़ा हिट रोशनी से और फील्डर ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए, केवल steps out and Roshni will just manage a single. They'll try hard to run for the second. Close call for a run out, but umpire's decision. He goes upstairs. Has she made her ground good? Has she returned back to the popping crease? Yes, she has. I think simple decision for the third. 102 for 8. Not out is the decision. Raigad Royals conclude their innings on.
Good effort by Roshni, came in at the right time. Respectable total of 102 for 8.
Raigad Royals, Kiran Navgire and Bhavika Ahire started the proceedings.
The pick of the bowlers who gave away 15 runs in 4 overs and picked 19 runs, beg your pardon, in 4 overs and picked up 4 wickets. Amazing.
In innings, Pune Warriors will have to chase 103 in 20 overs. So we'll be...
The need of the hour for the Punija, Ishita and Kushi and Samruddhi.
Last night, thanks to that final over finish, which means that the board to defend the target 103 for Pune Warriors to clinch their back-to-back second. Facing the first ball into the stumps, guided nicely off the pads. Suhani gives this a humpty down the ground. A great looking win on the trot. Big hike into the leg side. No protection in that region. And it scoots over to the boundary. Back-to-back force for the Pune Warriors. And first for Kushi. The Dole Tasha roaring in the stands. And the batters are matching the rhythm. Second boundary of the over for Kushi. And the third in the chini. Oh, plain a miss. Loud appeal for a caught behind. The umpire is unmoved. The wicketkeeper insists there was something. Movement in the air or something came off the bat.
Yes, can you just freeze it the next frame? Yes, freeze it.
Of Roshni for just 4 runs as Pune presenting the Royals. Comes down the track, chance for a catch, but evades the leaping Kiran Navgire and it scoots over towards the mid-off boundary for hiked away. No protection. Another one races to the ropes with the beat of the Dhol Tasha for the...
It is very important.
Hit into the leg side with flair. A great looking pickup stroke and the run rate as well. Dashes down this track, whipped away. Fielder with the chase, but loses the...
उसमें से रन चुरा रही है. तो ये जो इंटेंशन है रन्स के प्रति वो बहुत जरूरी।
Just put it in one word.
Dolly of a delivery. Dolly dispatched with disdain. Another four.
अपील की जाएगी और ये विकेट नंबर 2 पुणे वॉरियर्स का।
Of the 23-ball stay for Khushi Mulla. A good hand nonetheless. Turning out to be an absolute weapon of an all-rounder is Pradnya Virkar. Scored 30.
In the end, taking the second one. Good shot, that one. Pitched right in the slot, given the treatment needed. And Akshaya gets a very good bounce.
क्लोज सिंगल और ये रन आउट का चांस है क्या यहाँ पे? जरूर अंपायर अपस्टेयर्स जाएंगे थर्ड अंपायर के पास कि रन आउट है क्या।
Nice shot. Tried to pull it and placed it really very well. This is going to go over the fence. उसी तरफ ज्यादा गेंदे डालने की कोशिश करो। ये भी बढ़िया शॉट है। ये गैप उससे बढ़िया है। ये सुई धागा शॉट है और
A boundary of a no ball. Clearly a front foot error there from Mane comes down, lofts it, clears the infield, unloads in style. Back-to-back boundaries for Shweta.
एज थर्ड मैन के आसे ये भी गेंद जाएगी सीमा पार और 4 रन हो जाएंगे आकांक्षा के नाम। बढ़िया बैटिंग यहाँ पे।
अक्षय ने बहुत
जी बिल्कुल, अक्षय के बैट से आती हुई और एक बाउंड्री और यहाँ पे बढ़िया काम पूरा कर देगी ये पूरी टीम पुणे वॉरियर्स। व्हाट अ कन्विंसिंग विक्ट्री फॉर देम। एक हर मुमकिन कोशिश उनके यहाँ से हो चुकी है जहां तक विकेट का सवाल है।
doing much.
सीधे चलते हैं मैदान में। ओनिशा है वहां पे, देखते हैं